transition for us to do some trading with Alan Nutwin, Chief Market Strategist at BullseyeOption.com, who indeed is looking at Chinese stocks this morning. Hey, nice view there, Alan. Thanks for catching us before you go sailing.
Yeah, spring break. I get off the boat for a little TV hit, but I'm going to be back on the water. So China is the story. China is, is down 20% in the last year versus the S&P. If you look at the XLI, the ETF that tracks it. So there's opportunity there. You guys talked about it as far as some of the, the nuts and bolts. But you look at that market, and it's poised for a comeback. And for a connection for many years, for 15 years, we had a strong correlation between our markets and their markets, and then that's been broken in the last few years. But let's see if that can connect once again.
All right, we've got some higher highs, higher lows in FXI, to your point. BABA is your target, and it is a much more sideways chart this year. Tell me why you're going for that one. Yeah.
Sideways?
That's that motion, sideways.
Sideways. Now, this is a stock. This has PE of 9, so it does have some fundamental value there. We're trading about, 73.50 right now. We're seeing leverage long accumulation. Now, I put on this position in January. If you go into the archives there, we put in a position of March 65 call. It went off the board here a couple weeks ago, but it went off the board at a little bit of a profit because it was still deep in the money, about the same amount of money that we had originally purchased it, a little bit more, obviously, to be profitable. So I'm taking another swing. I love this formation. We've been between 70 and 80 in 2024. Out of this range, targets 90. Now, there is a gap up above at 80, so that should be a little bit of a market magnet. So you've got a lot working here. Like I said, the leverage buying, the accumulation at this bottom base hasn't broken out yet. So I'm looking at a June option, 3 months of time, looking at the June 65 call. Again, the low in the stock is 66.6. So you read what you want into that. But this is a deep in the money option that's, $8.50 in the money. It's trading for about $10.50 right now.
All right. 65 strike call. Looking for BABA to keep moving and join its peers higher. Glad we got the trade. Glad we got you. We got to jump. Alan, watch your head. It sounds like there's seagulls above you, but maybe that would be good luck for the trade. So
Pelicans.
Those
are pelicans.
Well,
pelicans.
Definitely. Then you need to be wearing a hat. All right. Thanks, Alan Nutwin, Chief Market Strategist, BullseyeOption.com. All right. When we get back, we'll talk some stock picks and some strategy here as the equity market. A little bit of an interesting start, kind of a topsy-turvy morning. Russell strength that turned into NASDAQ strength.